Facciamo un brano di un gruppo inglese che si chiamano The Pirates, Pirati, e un brano che parla di chitarre, si chiama Gibson Martin Fender.
From here I've been a soul and I told him I'm gonna give it to you loud and clear. I played the rules to the track that I had to there. I think so much in fact no matter what the world. We see the heat and the rain and the eyes and the picture that's low. They're never gonna take you away. Now you can hear me soon. Well, now to the very last show. Let me tell you how I thought I knew. I saw him in the drop of something but I see. I opened the door and I just walked right in. I was swaying a little, smiling pretty bad on the track. I'm glad right in front of my eyes was a teeny little trick. When she asked me, can I help you, sir? I just say, oh. Well, then she's bothering me when I'm playing with a heart go through. I'm getting so much time dropping and on the road. We sing the heat and the rain and the house and I'll fix it and snow. I ain't never gonna take it away. Now you can hear me through. We're gonna be together until the very last show. I get so much to find already on the brow. We see the sea by the rain and the eyes when I think it gets low. I'm never gonna take it away. Now you can give me soon. We're gonna be together until the very last day. We're gonna be together, baby, until the very last day. We're gonna be together until the very last show. We're gonna be together, honey, until the very last show.
Give some Martin Fender.